Greetings and salutations. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your boy, Mr. Smellgood, coming to you from the beautiful island of Jamaica. To all my returning residents, thank you so much. I humbly and gratefully appreciate you. And to those of you who are first to tuning in, I hope you enjoy your stay and smash that subscribe button. Today's video, as you can see from the caption below, it's going to be a unboxing and first impression of 3 fragrances. One is from the house of Versace and the other 2 fragrances are from the house of Lattafa. These 2 fragrances I have been dying to explore, so I'm going to unbox them and I'm going to tell you exactly what I think about them as well. So if you're interested in content like that, keep on watching. So the first fragrance on the chopping board is going to be the Eros Energy. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, it's a standard Eros presentation. You don't know. So I'm going to be unboxing this one right now and I'm going to give you my first impression, my thoughts I should say. So let's go into the whole presentation. As always, the barcodes at the bottom, and I don't know, Eros. And this is Eau de Parfum Concentration. Alright, so let's get straight into it. Fuck the box. So this is the bottle, and already I am smelling this radiant, or should I say this juicy, fresh, citric note so far. I think this one is compared to Creed Aventus Absolo. I'm going to tell you exactly what I think about it, but so far, based on me I smell, I'm liking this one. So I'm going to put it on the back of my hand here. Ooh, the distribution, the spray is really, really good. Atomizer. Ooh! Yo, this is amazing, yo. I see why they compare it to Absolo, but to me it does not smell as close to Absolo. Yo, this one is so freaking, yo. It's this sweet, juicy, not sure if it's pineapple, but I'm getting a lot of citric notes in this one, nuances in this one. Amazing. There seem to be, I'm picking up something like a blackcurrant, reminds me somewhat of the Creed Aventus, not to mention the Bond number 9 scent of peace, but this is freaking amazing. This to me is like a hybrid of Creed Aventus and Mancera's Cedrat Boise. That's what I'm getting from this one. Juicy, it's fresh, it's radiant. This one I would give them a 10 out of 10. Yo, Versace, you guys did it for me with this one. Yo, I love that one. I'm going to be wearing this one probably tomorrow and see how it performs on my skin. Really, really love it. So there you have it for the Versace. Next on the chopping board is going to be one of these 2 fragrances. Her confession, his confession. Which one should I open first? Any, mini, mani, mo, ketchup, puppy. I'm going to go ladies before gentlemen. So I'm going to go with the... I'm going to go with the her confession first. Let's see what she wants to confess. Bring it to father how long? I don't know. Presentation, man, I like Lattafa. Always outdo some of them company out in the presentation. Yo, when I go on a bag of things Lattafa. Man, I lie. How does this open now? I don't want to cause any accident. You know? Alright, so guys, I'm going to give you the... Ooh, yo, man, I lie. Lattafa, as always, and I know the sticker right here. But this with the statue, whoo, I'm not lying, I'm not going out on myself. So this one is her confession here, as you can see. I'll be posting a picture as well, so you guys can see it clearer. I'm not lying. This I go out itself. I think the fragrance it was inspired by. I'm not familiar with that fragrance. I've never smelled that fragrance, so I can't compare that fragrance. I don't even remember the name of that fragrance because I haven't done any research on this one. Because I want it to be a blind smell. Like what I'm saying? So I'm going to... Ooh, wait. Yo, let me just get straight to it. Her confession. Humbug. Sorry. Sorry. Apologies. Yo, 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 yo. Yo, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I ain't gonna cap. This one smells freaking amazing. I'm getting something lactonic. I'm getting something sweet. Yo, this is... Shit. Hold on. Yo, this smells so freaking good. Damn. Yo, I'm gonna give this one 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Versace get 10 out of 10. Her confession get 10 out of 10. So now I'm going to test his confession. I'm hoping that one will get a 10 out of 10 as well. Yo, but this one smells amazing, ladies. Yo, shit. Alright, let me come back with the main one. Alright, so his confession right here. And I don't know the standard stick at the back, Lattafa, but them always just extra with the presentation. So now let me do the unboxing quickly and tell you guys what I think about this scent. When I don't know, same like the female one, the Her Confession. Yeah, really, really good. The back with the ingredients and a bag of stuff on it. It opens like a book. See there? This is his confession. And I don't know, black versus white. Night versus day. Yin versus yang. So, I'm not even sure which one this one smells like or is inspired by. So, I'm just going to do a blind test and tell you exactly what I think about it just the same. There's nothing on my... Something here. Nothing on my back of my hand here. So, I'm going to put it here. Yo, I don't even want to do anything fancy. I just want to get straight to the smell. Bumbleclot. Lattafa. Pussyclot. Lattafa, man. Lattafa. Yo, peeps, comment down below what this is inspired by. This one is freaking good just the same. Yo, them don't even smell like a Lattafa fragrances. I'm not gonna lie. Yo, these don't even smell like these are Lattafa creations. I'm going to be brutally honest with y'all. These smell more premium, more luxurious to me. Yo, this is... I'm getting something earthy. It reminds me of something, but I can't put my nose exactly what it reminds me of. It reminds me of a fragrance, but I can't seem to figure out which fragrance it reminds me of. I'm being honest with you. Yo, this is so freaking good. This is going to get a 10 out of 10 as well. Oh, yo, the Eros energy is the winner for tonight. I'm not going to lie to you. The Eros energy I go out with itself. Yo, both of them. Yo, I'm getting something like a coconut in this one, the Her Confession. I'm not sure if there's coconut in that one, but I'm getting that one now. It's more pronounced in it. This one reminds me, I'm not sure if it's oud in this one, but it's a sweet, earthy, spicy. I'm not even sure if there's cardamom in this one. I should believe there must be cardamom in this one. I'm getting something like a cardamom, which is similar to the John Paul Lemal, but I'm not so sure of the notes in this one, and I'm not going to look it up. I just want it to be a blind smell and rate, because these all three fragrances get a 10 out of 10. But if I should tell you which one is the leader for tonight, it's going to be the Versace Eros. This is amazing. But these two, amazing nonetheless. So there you have it, my thoughts on these three fragrances. 10 out of 10 people. If you have tried any one of them, comment down below and let me know what you think. But these three fragrances are amazing. Lattafa, great job. As always, guys, like, comment. You don't know, subscribe to the channel as well and share the video. Peace. I am out.